In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 email campaign ideas. So if you've ever struggled trying to think about what email to send out to your email subscribers, then this video is for you. Hi, my name's Aurelius, and on this channel, I make videos helping business owners start and grow a digital business. So if you don't want to miss out on any tips, tools, and training around digital business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button below, turn on notifications too, so you don't miss a thing. Okay, let's get to the first email idea, and that is a "how are you going" email. Now, you may want to rephrase this, but here in Australia, we're kind of like saying "how you going" just to see how they are or how are you. I've got this set up in my email campaign, and it simply asks in the subject line of the email, "how are you going?" with a question mark. In the body of your email, you want to keep it short and open-ended. So what I've done here, you can see how you're going in your business. You can also make this more specific to your product, like how you're going with using XYZ widget or whatever your product name is. This is a powerful email that sounds personal, it is open-ended, and gets them to respond and shows that you're willing to offer some help. In addition, you're also gathering valuable feedback that you could use to then improve your product or service. The next email idea is to share lessons learned, whether it's in your life, personal life, or in business, or whatever your industry may be. So you could simply share 5 lessons I learned about email marketing, or 5 lessons I learned about growing a YouTube channel, whatever it may be. That is an email campaign that you can share that sounds personal and gets high engagement rates. Next up is to share a "let's connect" email campaign. And as the title suggests, what you're going to do is share your socials. So whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, that is your opportunity to then share those profiles and accounts with your subscribers, so then they can stay up to date with you, your news and updates, and offer some other way of communicating with you. The next email idea is none other than doing a direct promotion for your product or a product that you're an affiliate of. You could share a discount coupon or a limited time sale for your product or service. There's really no rule as to how often you can do these promo emails, but of course there is a fine line. But if they did subscribe for discounts and alerts of new products and services, then they're probably going to expect it. However, if they did initially subscribe for your tips and newsletter, then sending promos every single day may burn them out, and that'll lead to unsubscribes. The next email idea is to share that one thing, whether it's one hack, one tip, or one secret to perhaps shortcutting something, then that's what you want to share in your email campaign. So for instance, you can share that one thing that'll speed up your website, or that one hack that's going to double your productivity. The next email campaign idea that you can send out is simply asking them, what is your most burning question about blank? So fill in the blanks and whatever that may be. So what is your most burning question about email marketing? Or what is your most burning question about scrapbooking? Whatever it may be, you get the idea. Email campaign idea number 7 is to share news and updates around your industry or even your product or service. What features are you going to release in the near future, or what features have you already released that you want to announce? That is the type of email that you can send out to your email subscribers. Next up is to share a how-to around a particular subject in your niche. This one's quite self-explanatory, so all you need to do is really outline the steps on how to actually get a particular result. Another email campaign idea that you can do are FAQs. So gather some frequently asked questions around your industry or around your product or service, and then list them down and answer them in your next email campaign. This type of email campaign does work particularly well if you are doing some sort of product launch, because a lot of the times people don't buy on the first exposure or the first time they see your product launched. They may see it on the second go, third go, fourth go, but this email campaign does serve as another way for those who are sitting on the fence or haven't yet made a decision to buy. So by laying and answering those questions in your email, you're going to make those who are more hesitant to then make a decision to buy. The final email campaign idea I want to share with you is to do a case study. Do you have satisfied customers or someone who's used your product or service? Why not share that case study or gather that case study from that user or customer and then you can share that in your email campaign, because it's so much more believable coming from an actual user than you talking about your own product or service. Now, here's the power tip I want to share with you. If you are ever going to create any of these email campaigns, then be sure to add it permanently into your automations or your email sequence. Of course, if you do have something that's not evergreen and something that is limited, so let's say a promo or a limited time sale, you obviously don't want to add that to your email sequence. Alright, so there we go. Hope one of these ideas sparked some inspiration for your next email campaign. If you found this video helpful, by all means hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications too, so that you don't miss out on any tips, tools and tutorials I share on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to watch these next videos coming up.